Blending modes are where ordinary textures suddenly become professional visual effects. Today, how to explore speckle blending modes. Start Photoshop and create a square 2000 pixel document with a colorful gradient background, so blending differences are easy to see. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then generate noise at about 70% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate white speckles. Now cycle through blend modes one by one, starting with screen, then overlay, soft light, and linear dodge, observing how each interacts with the background. Notice screen keeps only bright particles. Overlay merges